And we're back to learning Illustrator in here, day 165. Let me show the objects on Path tool. I've got a couple of objects here and I create a path using the pen tool. Now let me select it all. I activate the objects on Path tool, which should be right here at the bottom. And then if you hover over a path, the cursor is going to change. So the icon below will change, and then you can left click and this will put all of the other selected objects on this path. As long as the tool is still active, you can left click drag here on the center points that's indicated by this circle and reposition that. There's also a rotation option at the bottom, so you can rotate the individual objects all at once like this. And finally, there's a spacing option. So if you want them to be distributed not to the full length of your path, you can adjust that right here. One simple use case, let me press Ctrl Z until we've arrived at our objects without the path again. I delete the path. And one use case is when you create a circle and you want all of your objects to be distributed on it. I hold Shift and Alt here when I drag it. Select it all, use objects on path, hover over the path of the circle and left click. And you can see it's now distributed equally, so the distance between these objects is the same. And that's quickly done. So you don't have to move all of these objects around. You can just use this tool and then they will be arranged or distributed equally. You can also alter the path afterwards. So if I use the direct selection tool and I transform this path, you can see the position of these elements is then adjusted accordingly. And this is how you can use your objects on Path tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.